This is everywhere. That's what I'm saying. This is not only the villages, but it's there.
I just wanted to also say this. So in India, if you look at the Times of India, which is the best read newspaper, the largest read newspaper, a couple of pages in the Times of India are towards the matrimonials, and the matrimonials are arranged according to the caste preference. So your Brahmins, Kayas, Kshatriyas, Dalits, SC, ST, and it's all in English. And it says IIT wants Brahmin girl, MBBS wants fair, tall, blah 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 boy, Brahmin boy.
But Kshatriyas, like this. So everywhere, that is the, that's what, if you look at it, even after constitution, in India, the caste system is legitimized and it's also manifesting into the various other forms. Because we are the people who are trying to change this society, not recognized fully. This is one of the important aspects that we need to change the society. This is in like Pakistan and friends said, in Nepal and Sri Lanka, as I said, we are also having a good constitution. It's a very good constitution, and it's a prohibited. You have punishable, only one place only it's a punishable they used in the constitution. This untouchability is prohibited and it's a punishable offense. But still, it's there. And we have the legislations. We have very good legislation like the Prevention of Atrocities Act that's enacted in 1989. Before that, we have the PCR Act. Before that, Untouchability Prohibition Act. So we have various legislations. So, but if you look at it, all these legislations are not helped to change the society, because the people who are protecting and implementing those legislations not looked at these legislations as a tools for social transformation. Even the judges, when I interacted with the judges, 2,500, more than 2,500 judges in this country, because I got an opportunity in the Judicial Academy to interact. So from all the levels, from the lower to even the Supreme Court or judges. In that room, every time, whenever we say a caste and gender, huge reluctance. Huge reluctance. Even if you say gender, they always think all the cases filed by women. They start with a doubt. Like you know that in India, people know that 498A, the debate is being misused. They start with the doubt. So like that in the caste thing also they'll start with the doubt. The people who are even to protect and promote in the positions of the protect and promote these rights, they are not recognized. The gender and caste inequalities very strong in India, and not used those legislations for the social transformation. They are not used so far. If you look at it, the history, you know that you are the lawyers, and if you look at that one, these practices, if you look at it, what the experience that I shared is also the same. When I met the Vice Chancellor that have been discriminated because of my caste, they are not given the marks. First he started with a doubt. He started doubting me first. We start with that. This is the general thing, and we have all these legislations, but I'll take the Prevention of Atrocities Act, how it has been implemented in this country. Having a strong constitution, a strong law, despite that, every 15 minutes, 4 atrocities are happening. Registering. Not happening. Registering. If NHRC says, almost 65% of the cases not even coming to the police station. Despite that, if you look at only registered statistics, NCRB data, every 15 minutes, 4 atrocities are happening. Before we take and get into those details, quickly I want to show just 12 minutes documentary. Documentary based on the if you look at it, the experience that I shared so far, it reflects that experience. The different. Yeah.
The sound comes up.